Hello everyone, today I will show you how to get animated interactive Bongo Cat in OBS Studio. And here's how it is done. 1. Download the Bongo Cat animation. Search for animated Bongo Cat GIF or find a web-based source. You can find free GIFs online, or you can create one using an animation tool. Alternatively, use a Bongo Cat web or a looping animated file for better integration with OBS. 2. Add a new browser source for interactive Bongo Cat. If you want an interactive Bongo Cat, example, reacts to chat or sound, go to the Bongo Cat interactive stream site. This website lets you play Bongo Cat based on interactions such as sound or chat events. Copy the URL of the interactive Bongo Cat from the website. 3. Setup in OBS. Open OBS Studio. Click the plus button under Sources and choose Browser. Name it something like Interactive Bongo Cat and click OK. Paste the URL of the Bongo Cat source from step 2 in the URL field of the browser source. Adjust the width and height to fit your stream layout. 4. Add sound trigger optional. To make it react to sound, use OBS plugins like speech-to-text or Streamlabs to link sound effects to Bongo Cat animation so it responds to your audio. Alternatively, set up sound alerts with Streamlabs or Stream Elements and trigger the Bongo Cat animation when an alert happens. 5. Position the animation. Adjust the position and size of the Bongo Cat source on your canvas to place it wherever you want in your stream layout. That is everything you need to know about how to get animated interactive Bongo Cat in OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.